COS. All right. So what you have here is the news. Like I told you, it's a very sad news, very very sad one. What happened in the camp of Butuzor and Commander Thunder. So the news, I don't know how to start, but I will have to start somewhere. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We all know that this is going to get to this extent. We know that it will lead to this. That's why when I see some people that are trying to justify the fact that some Liberation Army or commanders or General Ugo Butuzor don't want to work with USB, if you know what happened in the past, you will kick against it, because I know, like many of us know, that it's going to lead to this. Different army coming out, going after a fellow army. It is something that every reasonable person don't want to see. Nobody wants to see that. But it has come to that. It has come to that. And we're going to go through, like I told you, what you are seeing now before you now is the news from COS. I'm trying to get my picture out from this so that you yourself can read it together with me. It's a shocking news, very, very, very shocking news, and a sad one for that matter. Let me see if I can. I think it's better now. Yeah, I think it's better now, so that you yourself, you'll be able to see it and read it, together with me. Now, like I told you, CS made this post, as you can see here, and the post says, "Breaking emergency." Okay. It has come to the notice of the United States of Biafra government that one of our commanders, Thunder, has been allegedly mutilated and thrown inside a pit by Commander Uwam, who is under General Butuzor in Olo State Command. This is to notify Commander Uwam and General Butuzor that they will be held responsible if anything happens to Commander Thunder. Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, DPM COS, United States of Biafra, and Defense Secretary, Honorable Solomon Nkwacha. This news, my people, it is something that many people already know, that a day like this will come, as long as some commanders and some Liberation Army decide to make choice instead of following the template that PM led. I know, honestly, many of you that follow me here know that I am one of those that are trying to avoid talking about what is going on, like going in details about what is going on and what may happen, because it's quite sensitive, and I know how some people react. Even some soldiers and some non-soldiers, once you say what they don't want to hear, you become a target, and it is uncalled for. But what can we do now? Listen, the comments from some Biafrans is what I'm going to go through before we touchlight it a little bit before we end it, because I will make sure that it's not going to be a lengthy one. The zoo will finish Butuzor and co very soon. This month we'll see them off this year end. That's somebody saying this. Henry said Butuzor and co are going after any soldier or general that stand with USB Biafrans. The wickedness of this individual makes the promised land too far. I wonder why most of our commanders cannot understand the importance of this freedom, that you must not hurt your own. That is number one principle. Every commander must know you must be your brother's keeper. With love, we will win this war. Another person said, Butuzor has started what he did to double lions. I said it. This is why somebody like me, because this news, when some people that live, others never do well, people eating hamburger and chopping, roasted chicken and half-done chicken and yapping us abroad, don't understand. You don't understand. What happened during the time of Eastern Security Network and down to the time of PM, trying to rescue them and everything. We know those things. And going back there again is one of the worst things, one of the worst experience anybody can think of. One of the worst experience. And the people should have learned from this. And like I said, if Commander Thunder is working with USB and with what Butuzor is going back and forth with the USB, I don't think he should have been in that camp, honestly, because I'm just saying because I've not known anything. I'm saying, as someone who don't have the details of what is going on there. I'm not Solomon Watch, and neither am I his deputy. So people should understand that I'm not in at all for this. But what based on what is going on in what is in the public, we can also somehow gaze or predict what may have happened there. So this person said this is the same thing Chinasa Woru was using that hopeless Butuzor when he was working with the ESN when he buyed Bush baby or baby Bush. Jaja, okay, Baby Bush, Jaja, and so many of commanders there. Now that Butuzor have started the same thing again, don't worry, this time around, so-called Butuzor won't go free. People get mad too. That nonsense so-called Butuzor and those ex-DOS ESN military men that later joined BLA BDF soldiers don't really meant well in this our Biafra freedom because they are using Biafra to cash out. That is why they don't want all this struggle to end. Most are Ndento. Amex said that native goat called away. Should I read all those things? You can see it yourself though. That native goat called Butuzor has overstepped the boundary. An average Biafran is a strength soldier, and this illiterate he-goat can never be allowed to weaken our defense. This native fowl called Butuzor it's time to say goodbye to him. His goodbye to him and his treacherous activities. Some people can make comment. Maybe they don't like Butuzor before and all that, but we don't know the details about what happened. So I think the best thing to do is to react based on what government said, so that people will not overreact or overstep. Say something that you don't cannot justify because all this he buy that is still a rumor. Some people believe it. Some act as if they are 100% sure of that. I'm not. Okay, that's why I don't want to talk about it. But I know that story like this happened during the time of PM. I know that there was a time some soldiers were sending voice note, giving location where they are, calling for PM to come for their rescue because they started buying each other. Even some people rumor that they bury people alive. Very horrible stories, right? So I don't think it should be something that anybody would like to go back there again. And I've asked this question. It says they are not working with the USB and they are not working with Ogikere. How are they sustaining themselves? Who is actually funding them? How are they? You understand? Why are they not bothered at all? John said, our military needs serious discipline or gaining fear. The voice of freedom said, has he resulted buying his fellow commanders? Probably those he perceived being loyal to the USB government. The report did not say they buyed anybody. They said mutilated. They like inflicting injury or probably maybe doing something that may not a kind of punishment or maybe I don't know. I just want to use the word they said. They did not use the word buy or sent to judgment. They said mutilated and thrown to pit. So if anything happened to him, of course, the news will also get to them. But I believe this one that happened, they will still try to blame somebody that was there, someone that were there to why did you call somebody? How did they manage to know? So by so doing, it may also lead to buying another person. I'm just saying because the mistake has started, it has been done. This is give credit to Imam Madam. because all this nonsense is what the Mamadabo and Ogenkere started. And these people don't know what PM went through before. They don't know. They don't know. They just joined and begin to contribute to this, with this nonsensical thing. Honestly, if I tell you that I'm happy with to hear this thing, I'm lying to you. That's just the fact. That means I'm lying. Like I said, I want to know your take on this. It's a breaking news. It's a breaking news, and it's a very sad one for that matter. Very sad one. So just in case of some, because I have seen in the comment section, people are saying they buying each other. They did not use the word buy. You can see it here. It has been come to our notice that United States of Biafra government. It has become to our notice of the. It has come to the notice of United States of Biafra government that one of our commander, Thunder, has been allegedly mutilated and thrown inside a pit by Commander Uwam, who is under General Butuzor in Olu State. So we are still yet to have details of what happened to Holy Ghost. Now, more. Anyway, I just hope that my dream before years ago, that was 2020, 2022 through 2022 through 2023. I dreamed about what is going on, but not the way it is now. But let me not just go there, because let me just keep it for myself. But the camp where they have all the Bibles and sacramentals was taken over, was invaded, and out of nowhere. And when they invaded, only 2 or 3 people was in the camp. 2 or 3 people were there, and it was very, very easy to seize all the Bible and all the sacramentals and clothes of missionaries and students, everybody that make use of that hostel. So if you understand, if you know what I'm talking about, I think I believe you understand what I'm talking about. So people tell me what you think about this. Let me see your comment section. Anyway, we will follow the update. Thank you so much for your time. Please like the video and let me hear from you. Like I said, like the video and share it. Pray for our people. Pray for everybody. Everybody needs prayer now, honestly. Bye bye for now.